Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Ram 1500 Bighorn in a blue exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with 3 previous owners. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black grille insert with chrome trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your running fog lights. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior: you will have turn signal indicators, as well as heated mirrors, and you will also have running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium gray cloth, along with a black and gray dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you have 12 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 14 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 12 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium gray cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention, you will have 2 cup holders here in the floorboard. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Popping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just under 27,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight options, as well as your fog light options and your dash brightness. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. On the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have your talking options, as well as your dashboard options. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your cruise control. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. As I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your traction control and your towing. You will have your gear shifter knob, as well as your four-wheel drive options. You will have a 115-volt plug-in, as well as a storage area. You will also have a pull-out storage area, along with 2 12-volt plug-ins. You will have 3 cup holders, a large center console, and this will fold up to become a middle seat. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a button that will make the middle of the back glass slide back and forth. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 5.7L V8F OHV 16V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple stone chips. You will have a couple scratches here above the front passenger side tire. You will have a couple scratches here on the passenger side of the bed. Here on the tailgate, you will have a couple scratches as well as a couple chips. Here on the rear driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches, as well as a couple chips. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, All Things Automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2016 Ram 1500 Bighorn in a blue exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.